What's the meaning of borderline? Borderline. Borderline.
Borderline. Borderline. The term borderline is often used to describe a condition or situation that is on the edge or borderline between two different categories or states. It can be applied to a range of contexts, including medical diagnoses, personality traits, or political situations. In medicine, the term borderline may refer to a condition where a patient exhibits symptoms that are not quite severe enough to meet the criteria for a particular disease. Similarly, in psychology, borderline personality disorder refers to a pattern of behavior and thinking that is on the border between neurosis and psychosis. Overall, the term borderline suggests a state of ambiguity or uncertainty, where it can be difficult to clearly define or diagnose a particular condition or situation.